Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super exciting topic, which is multimedia and ICT in the 21st century. Have you ever wondered how technology shape our daily lives? Well, stick around and I will break it down for you. So first, what exactly is multimedia and ICT? Multimedia is a combination of text, graphics, audio, video, and animation used to create engaging content. On the other hand, ICT, or Information and Communication Technology, refers to the tools and systems that help us communicate and access information efficiently. Think the internet, mobile phones, and even AI. Now, let's talk about the benefits. ICT and multimedia make education more interactive and fun. Imagine learning history through virtual reality or solving math problems with AI tutors. Cool, right? They also improve business operations, allowing companies to connect with clients worldwide in just one click. And of course, they help us stay connected with our loved ones. Thanks to social media, video calls, and messaging apps, distance is no longer a barrier. As we move forward in this digital era, it's important to use technology wisely. Let's take advantage of multimedia and ICT to learn, grow, and stay connected responsibly. That's it for today's vlog. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.